Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to teach you how to see your screen time on your Android devices. So quickly go to settings and then scroll down until you see their digital well-being and parental controls. So just click on that and automatically you'll be able to see your screen time. So my screen time per day is 5 hours and 23 minutes. You can also see where that time comes from. So you can see it's from social, audio, video, whatever applications you're using, games, it's also there. At the same time, this is very useful because you can also see what applications takes most of your time when using your mobile device. So for me, it's Messenger, Spotify, and TikTok. And at the same time, you can set a screen time goal here if you want to lessen that. And you can also add timers for your application so you can lessen the usage. So overall, this digital well-being and parental control is really helpful. It also has focus on driving mode, and at the same time, it has their walking monitors. So it has everything here already. And you can also check out your battery here. This also, of course, is involved when it comes to using your phone. And that's it for today's video. That's how you can see your screen time on your Android device. Hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, please hit the like and subscribe button only here on Tech Help Guy.